Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. The word of the day is precious, and what could be more precious than three little cygnets sitting on their parent swan, or two of them are sitting on the parent swan, and then there's one poor little cygnet chasing along behind, but that's also very cute. I'm really enjoying this Inktober. I think it's day 9, which I think is just amazing because I'm not really tiring out yet because I've had so much help through Twitter and Instagram and Facebook with different prompt ideas. So it's been really challenging and just really fantastic to use some of these ideas and incorporate them in my new paintings. As usual, this painting is available from my shop, so click over and check it out if you like. And thank you for watching and for subscribing, and as always, thank you so much for your comments because I do read them and I do enjoy reading them, so thanks so much.